today, this afternoon, in the matter of Marianne Cicero Borgo, the French actress, versus Nirmala Acharya. The Honorable Court of the Civil Judge, Senior Division MAPSA, passed orders on 3 applications, 2 of which were filed by the French actress Marianne. One was for an injunction restraining Nirmala Acharya, who is the defendant in that case, from interfering with her possession and dispossessing her from the residential house. The Honorable Court was pleased to grant the said application, and consequently, the defendant is restrained from interfering with her possession or from dispossessing her from the suit house. During the pendency of the proceedings, Nirmala Acharya had disconnected the electricity connection of the said house, which was also connecting the water pump. And because of the disconnection of electricity power, the house had no electricity and water. And therefore, a mandatory application was filed by Marianne, and the court was also pleased to grant that application. And accordingly, the defendant, Nirmala Acharya, has been directed to restore the electricity within a period of 10 days from the order. In the event she failing to do so, we have been given the liberty to approach the authorities for restoration of power. Nirmala Acharya, the defendant in the case, also filed on her behalf an application for temporary injunction, restraining Marianne from interfering with her possession because she claimed that she was in possession. But the court rejected that application, and therefore the 2 reliefs that were prayed for by the French actress Marianne Borgo stand granted.